I've had my Evo for 11 years and I've done everything with it. I've dailied it, I've raced it, I've driven it to Alaska twice, and now I've even crashed it. Welcome back to the Lana the Lancer Evo build. Today we are going to get started on resurrecting Lana the Lancer. Let's begin. Previously, I showed you how the track insurance breakdown looked after my wreck. $35,000 policy. They had a 10% deductible on that plan. The buyback cost on the car was $11,850. So I'm left with $19,650 to fix it back up. Obviously, some of that money has been spent, not as much as you might expect. So as we go through and fix the car up, I will tell you how much I spent for everything. Step one, we gotta take this dash out. We got the airbags deployed, everything. Let's just rip it out.
I see what happened here. Step 4 was not taken.
To give ourselves enough room to work comfortably, we're removing the front seats, which is a process we're pretty familiar with at this point.
So the reason why we're taking the dash out first is because we need to fix what happened in the interior of this car first, because the cause was, it started here. The end point is outside the vehicle.
Started right here.
Yeah, but we already removed him out the car, so now we gotta remove the dash.
Take the driver's seat out.
I love you. I'm just kidding. Yeah, there's little snackies in there.
You think it died in the car accident?
He might have. He might have got ejected from it.
This is the first time these A-pillars have ever been out of this car.
Is it?
Yeah, and I reckon we can probably take those tweeters out while we're at it.
But I mean, what is that? Like just a pound, maybe?
No, probably not even a pound.
Not even a pound?
But I'm also taking this out when we take the dash out, so what's the point in having tweeters?
Race car?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, so same deal.
You got some secret mice stuff?
We had a dark passenger. Could have been any time between now and 2006, so.
He could be long gone. We might find him in the dash.
Next, we have to clean the carpet so we have a safe working environment to remove the dash, where we won't have to worry about glass shards piercing our skin or my tracksuit. RIP to my mirror. Something tells me I've been in here before because there's a zip tie.
Yep.
I'm finding a bunch of wiring that I did in here when I was 23.
Is it still holding up?
I mean, it's been working for 8 years or whatever.
Well, that's a plus.
I don't know if you are going to approve of it or not.
Well, I'll have to check it out. That ground.
This chassis ground I did when I was...
Oh, it's pretty loose.
Yeah, well...
Oh, I mean, like, it's not even connected.
I just loosened it. I don't,
okay.
Honestly, like, it's rough.
It's great being grounded right there next to the plastic. It's good.
And you know what? It worked for 8 years. Never had an issue with it.
Hold on. Let me get this thing in focus.
Looks like I'm better.
Oh.
Well, okay, so maybe...
What the?
So the spade could have been on better. So point taken.
Yep. That's here. Here, have a spade.
Stop throwing stuff, Mark. You're acting childish. So these are the nifty OEM gauges that come in the MR edition. The volt gauge does not work. The temp gauge does not work. Boost gauge might as well not work.
Yeah.
Because we're making more boost than this even reads.
Don't cross streams.
By the way, Ben Thorne did this. Dude, there was glass. That's insane. There was glass on the back of the radio.
Bada bing.
It's just that easy. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Previous owner was a real, absolutely smoking crack. Whoever wired all this stuff. That's why you never know really what you're getting into. Was this just not connected to anything?
No.
Boy, howdy. I cannot wait to put everything back together and see what doesn't work. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I mean, it should come out now.
Oh yeah, you think?
No.
Okay.
I know.
You know? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so there's no more bolts.
No, there's no more. At least I checked on this side.
Mark, I bet you $1 there's one more thing we need to disconnect before we can get it out. I don't know what it is, but I bet we find something.
$1, huh?
$1.
Okay, you're on.
Dang, this is nice. It's like betting against your own team, you know what I mean?
Yeah, right?
It's like not working, and normally I would be upset by that, but now I'm like excited because it means I get $1.
Oh, you get $1.
Yeah! This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so good, Mark. I love gambling. Double or nothing? Oh, that did it, Mark. Oh, now
There's 2
we're
bolts for the
talking.
airbag.
I feel like Rick James over here, you know what I'm saying, Mark? I feel like Kevin James, you know what I'm saying, Mark?
Yeah, Kevin James.
Yippee! Ron, owner and operator of RS Motors, who built the engine in the Evo and tuned it, reached out to me after my wreck to offer me parts, including this new to me dash. These go for about $150 on the used market, but Ron gave it to me, so it's not going into the budget.
Shift it back a little bit. Shift it over, and then pop.
Bada bing, bada boom. Be very careful with that.
This is a ticking time bomb.
Throw it against the wall.
The dash wasn't ready to go back in yet though. During my wreck, the front windshield had been smashed. Before we reinstalled the dash, Mark wanted to make sure that the broken windshield was removed, to ensure that the new dash didn't get covered in tons of little bits of glass, which led to the extremely fun process of removing the weather molding that runs down the length of the A and C pillars. This is necessary to gain access to the edge of the windshield, and Mitsubishi designed this weather molding to be held in place with little clips made from chicken wishbones, with the structural rigidity of dry angel hair pasta.
Everything else has been taken out except for this cowl stuff so that we can remove the windshield. Love it when things just work. All right, the time has finally come to cut out that windshield. Well, not with this, obviously with this.
Mark is the Gears and Gasoline official mechanic, but most of his time is honestly just spent changing windshields. He's gotten a lot of practice.
That worked so well. Are you kidding me?
But today, I'm going to show him a new technique. If you want to just throw that on real quick before we get started. Now seems like a good time to remind you guys about our sponsor, Quadlock, and their updated new product that's just come to market. These are their updated windscreen and dash suction mounts using suction cup technology from their heavy duty mounts. And man, these suckers will suck. Mark, why don't you try that out there?
Sure.
So typically you'd put this on the inside of your windscreen, but as we've got to take a windscreen out, go ahead and just slap that down, and wow. Now
Look at
these
that.
guys, that's a suction cup right there. Don't use it this way typically. You would not typically use it this way, but
All right.
there you go. And this is standard procedure for all windshield removals. And you just, there you go, no problem. So guys,
Hey.
check out the new Quadlock windscreen and dash suction mounts, fresh out on the market right now. Tell them we've got a discount.
I don't. What?
Just
What?
Australian. Go for it.
The Australian.
We'll lose the contract if you don't do this right now.
And there's a discount code in the description. We'll have to get another one.
Yeah.
Wishbone?
Yeah, this is just like, oh, no, you're way stronger than me. I feel like we are missing a real opportunity to absolutely gut the dash and turn this into a full race car, but I don't want to make it a full race car. The new windshield can't go in yet because we still need to fix the damaged A-pillar. So while Mark finishes prepping the future windshield surface, I begin disassembling the damaged front end.
Nice chewed up fender, all baconed up, cracked on the back.
Sayonara, don't need these. This is definitely heavier. Very slightly. But the stock is lighter, and that's with the light fixture still in it. It's hard to beat aluminum. Of course, this is the reason I need to replace the radiator core support. In the crash, I was lucky enough to only really inflict structural damage here, which is a pretty cheap part you can still buy new. I got this one for $205.
Mark, it's been a couple of years since we had to break out the old finger sander.
Yeah, it's been a while since we did it, like you and I, but the last time I did it, I was replacing a roof.
Ooh. POV, you just stumbled into a Russian body shop. Hello there, welcome. Be right with you, just cutting up car right now. I can't get any work done, always you look over my shoulder.
Well, do better, do better.
I show you how easy it is to work on car, okay? We watch this one. It's just like this. Like this one, it is so easy to work on car.
After some thought, Mark and I have decided that my original dash is in a bit better condition than the new one, so he'll just swap over the new top skin with the unbroken airbag cover, change the VINs, and reinstall.
I've been tasked with trying to get this Evo back to a rolling state. It's kind of been in this hovering stage for like months. Let me go ahead and throw some suspension on here, get everything kind of squared away, because we do need to take this thing to the body shop and get it fixed up. I forgot that this piece was bent.
The piece in question is a joint of billet aluminum in the aftermarket SSB drop knuckle, which sacrificed itself during the accident to protect the rest of the knuckle. Dallas from SSB was happy to hear that this relatively cheap little joint had bent rather than the entire assembly, and he sent me a new one for free.
All right, we'll throw a little bit of oil on there, a little restore and protect, because we got to restore this car and protect it from Glenn. So thank you, Valvoline, for restoring and protecting Lana. So I'm gonna do it. I wanna see what this balances out as. You know, it's not that bad. As far as like impactfulness of the wreck, that's not bad. Honestly, I think he can reuse this.
I'm not going to reuse it, but it's great for a roll-around wheel and tire to get the bodywork sorted on the Evo. So Mark gets the steering wheel back in, and the car is basically ready to be rolled around. And while he's been doing all of this, I've been in Indiana, collecting another one of my projects that's been off the channel for way too long.